लेकिन ताकि उसको लगे कि
Good evening, sir.
वेरी गुड इवनिंग, हाउ आर यू विशाल,
I'm quite well, Rita, sir.
एंड व्हाट आर यू डूइंग नाउअडेज?
I'm just doing my family business.
Family business. And could you tell me something about your family?
I belong to some nuclear family. There are 4 members in a family, including me. My father is a businessman. My mother is a homemaker, and my elder brother is in Australia.
Okay. And tell me something about your education.
So I complete my matriculation in from CBSE, and after that I done senior secondary from Punjab State Education Board. After that I completed 2-year diploma from Merchant Polytechnic.
Which country do you want to go?
I want to go to Australia.
Why did you choose that country?
Just because of their living standards and pay.
Who is living there?
My brother is living there.
How long he has been living there?
He lived from last 2 to 3 years.
Okay. So what course or what the job will you do there?
I will do as a accountant in office.
Accountant. Okay. So now I'm just asking the questions related jobs. Okay. Tell me why should I hire you?
Just because, sir, you may hire me just because I am professional towards my duties and skills. I can handle all the pressure. I will work in team spirit. So it's a great opportunity for me to work with the people.
That's great. And what are your strength and weakness?
So my strengths are I am quick learner, a hard worker, and self-confidence. And my weakness is I am a little bit short-tempered.
Why do you want to work in our company?
Actually, sir, I want to work in an organization where I can prove myself. Where I can prove myself.
So that's why.
So that's why I can.
What is the difference between confidence and overconfidence?
Sir, there is a difference. Only word over. Confidence means right estimation of my skills and trust, and overconfidence means extra estimation of my skills and proud of myself.
Okay, that's good. You have spoken very well, delivering the all answer of the questions. Now I am asking you, what is the difference between hard work and smart work?
So hard work can be done by physical, and smart work can be done by mind. So
that's why. Okay, how do you feel about working nights and weekends?
Sir, in my opinion, we should not work in nights and weekends just because apart from company person, everyone has its personal life to enjoy and spend time with family. If there is requirement of company, I will definitely do work in nights and weekends to meet the company needs.
Good. Okay, the next question is, can you work under pressure?
Yes, sir, I can work under pressure because my mind works 3 times faster under pressure.
Are you willing to relocate jobs?
Yes, sir, I will definitely do relocated jobs as per company needs, company requirement. So, as you know,
Okay. What are your goals?
sir, my short-term goal is to be placed in a reputed company like yours and improve my knowledge and skills. And my long-term goal is to be in a higher position in the same company.
In your company. And what motivates you to do good job?
My father motivates me to do good job.
That's great. What makes you angry?
So I am a calm person. I'm a calm person. I usually not get anger, but someone cheats me, then I get anger.
So that's why you get angry.
Yeah.
Okay. Now I'm just asking you a question. Could you give me an example of your creativity?
Sir,
An example of your creativity? You just make anything on your own mind, and this is a work do in the right place on
right place at the right time with the right knowledge, with right things, yield the right good output.
So that's why. Okay, how long would you accept to work if
if
we are hired you?
sir, I will wrong with I will do job with as long as possible as my present personal benefits and my personal benefits.
Personal benefits. That's great. And are you not overqualified?
No, sir, I'm not aware.
You are not overqualified. Describe your ideal company, location, and jobs.
So my ideal location is where our people are cooperative and jobs in which I get self-respect and feel comfortable. That's my
Okay. What are your career options right now?
so to be placed in a good company, reputed company like yours, and improve my knowledge and skills.
Improve your knowledge and skills. That's great. And explain how would be assessed in this organization.
Sir, I am a hard worker,
You're a hard worker.
and I will work in a team spirit to meet the company's need.
Okay. What are your outside interests?
Sir, my outside interest, I can eager to learn new things and listen to music and.
Okay. Would you lie for the company?
No, sir, I usually not lie for company just because it can be.
Okay. So how long have you been working in India?
Sir, I am working from last 5 years.
5 years. And it is your childhood dream to go abroad for
Yeah, it's my childhood dream.
childhood dream. So why don't you want to settle in India?
Just because of there is a problem in.
Have you considered starting about your own business?
Not yet, but if I am in right position with the right money, so that's why I.
Who has inspired you in your life and why?
My father has inspired me most, just because.
Gee, that's good. Oh, that's great. And you have spoken all the questions very well. Chicken, thank you very much.
Okay.
Okay, good.